believe it or not, going to the car wash did not make it look any better. Took the clutch master cylinder off, thinking that was the one that was seized up. Absolutely not. Damn near shot myself in the eye with brake fluid. She's just fine. Pulled out the slave cylinder, secondary cylinder, and we're still gonna try, but I got a hunch I'll probably need a new one. Got it scraped fairly clean. Clean this bore up as best we can. Hammer the piston down. Hopefully that frees it up, because the only thing we have then is apply pressure here. And if it doesn't, well then all we did was make it even farther in there. Don't tell mom, but I think the slave cylinder I bought for the van that I never installed, I think it'll fit this. Cute little drum sander. This can of PB is almost empty. I try to keep the cylinder wet while I'm doing this because it keeps from getting deep gouges. Certainly not the correct tool. You don't have to tell me that. PB won't work. Dos Equis will. Negro Modelo. My bad. That bore, it's well, it's terrible. Now, we're gonna need some actual PB blaster for this, but I found this wheel key. It fits really well down in that bore. We're just gonna that a couple times. Cilandre wants to move any. Well, it just got squirted in the legs, so that means it moved. Back with our drum sander. Clean up this. Should be able to hook the air pressure up to that. Shoot the piston right back out. Break my teeth. Air wasn't working to blow the cylinder back out, so here's hoping I can get some movement through the system hydraulically and push the cylinder out. Probably not. The old one-man bleeder. Uh-oh, that feels kind of good. Oh, might have pushed the piston out. There she is. She's shooting out of there. Might go ahead and push it the whole way out. Clean the bore up, but might just throw it back up in there. Put this thing together. See if we get some clutch action. That'd be cool. I mean, I think it'd be cool. As you can see, these cleaned up A1. I mean, be hard to tell them from a new part. Basically perfect. You don't mind being absolutely filthy. Working in the dirt's kind of nice, you know, it's soft. It's dirty. Rebuilt slave cylinder. Brake fluid looks like fresh black coffee. If I didn't know better, I'd say that's a clutch.